Hey everybody, welcome to another devlog, and today I had my friend actually play my game, so that was quite interesting. It was actually really enlightening because I was able to get a very different perspective from my own on this game. In fact, my friend who tested this game actually said that I should make this game a little bit easier. So I went back and made the first few levels a little bit easier, but overall, he enjoyed the game and he had a lot of constructive criticism for me, so that was really good. In particular, he mentioned that the text is too close together in some of the screens, so it doesn't quite look so nice. He also mentioned that there should be a 3-2-1 counter before you start the first level, just so you have some time to prepare. After having my friend check out my game, I was very inspired to get back to programming. So, first of all, I fixed up a few little problems I had, such as the buttons appearing a little strangely. So I moved the buttons, and I made a few other minor changes that aren't really worth mentioning. But the big thing that I worked on, for this week in particular, was an audio system for my game. I decided to have two different sources of audio in my game. First is just the background music, which plays all throughout the levels, and the second is a rewarding ding that you get when you tap and do really well on a level. I was eventually able to fix this, but initially I had a lot of troubles with both my background music and the rewarding sound that you get. So let's check out that footage here. The issue was every time you go to the main menu, a new controller game object is spawned and spawns in the background music. So I now have both of these fixed, so I will show it to you real quickly. There's the music, and now if I play a level and I get exactly 50%, you can hear that sound effect. Both of these sound effects are just placeholders for now, but eventually I will be adding in the correct music. So, thank you for watching.